Her son, Femi, on 3 different occasions, assaulted me with a hammer, saying he wants to break my head. I'm Donald Oluwafemi Fajuyi. By the grace of God, I am the first son of late Colonel Adekunle Fajuyi. 3 years after I graduated, I married her, and I slaved all my youthful years in bringing her and her children up. And when the last one, Tope, was in university, she now turned and showed her true colors as a gold digger. What is it in that property? She wants that property. Her son, Femi, on 3 different occasions, assaulted me with a hammer, saying he wants to break my head. Her son, Femi, with her daughter, Pelumi, with herself at the police station here in Okisha.
Your own children too?
Yes, her children. Also assaulted me at the police station, cursing me. Oni da fún ẹ, oni ṣoríire, oni tó ẹgbẹ́ ẹ, are the words coming out of their mouth at the police station here in Okisha. And yet she wants to say that that house is going to be an inheritance for her children. Is that how you get an inheritance for your children? The property in question, I inherited it from my late father. It was one of his properties. I have seen my wife's video. I have heard all she has said. But I can assure you that most of her assertions are figments of her imagination. They are the lies she has so told and repeated that she now believes it herself. Let me ask you a question. You are building a house and your friend comes and says, congrats, my friend. Take a bundle of iron sheets or take a load of gravel or 100 blocks, and you accept it in good faith. And when the building is completed, can the man now come and say that he co-owns the property with you? Her sister, late Yinka Agbebi, gave me 200 blocks as a gift. She calls it 2,000. Whether it is 200 or 2,000 is irrelevant. The fact is that she gave me a gift, but that does not convert into co-ownership of the property. The Bible tells us a wise woman builds her home. A foolish woman will scatter her home. Lanre Bukola, Mrs. Fajuyi, is a foolish woman.